themselves into our personal destiny in our hearts. So it's, in a sense, the dream, our destiny, who we're called to be, has been bound in our hearts. It's a part of who we are. It's in us. It's in our hearts. And with that power, we have been given the authority to navigate our lives towards that dream or towards that purpose.
And I want you to understand how having vision is powerful, okay? So we're talking about more than just our purpose now. Now we're talking about what is I want to shift from just having this lofty dream in my heart to I have a clear personal vision on what this looks like and what I'm going to do.
Have ambition, but some of us have never materialized it into action. Why? Because of fear, lack of knowledge, faint-hearted. People have told us we can't. We've been squelched. And so then we lose our passion, our unction, and with it goes our intrinsic motivation. And then we experience what we call the death of the dream.
How having vision is powerful, okay? So we're talking about more than just our purpose now. Now we're talking about what is I want to shift from just having this lofty dream in my heart to I have a clear personal vision on what this looks like and what I'm going to do. So vision stirs the imagination. So remember we talked about how our purpose is in our heart, it's of the imagination, but when we begin to write down action items, begin to put that on paper, which is the first step to shifting from purpose to vision, is we're going to try and capture that on paper. That stirs up our imagination. The problem is we often don't connect our goals to our purposes. So sometimes it's the goals we're setting. They're not connected to our purpose, and they're dumb goals. Sometimes we set goals because that's what the world tells us the goal we should have, okay? There are some people who don't need to set goals of exercise and dieting, but there are some people who do. There are some people who need to be setting financial goals. There are some people, and so you have to set goals that are fit to who you are, your purpose, and what season you're in.